Hey everybody, welcome back to Welch's Math class. We're going to do us a little bit of statistics here today in Module 9. And we're going to be looking for what's called a weighted mean or a weighted average. Weighted mean or a weighted average. Got a situation in front of you that you came based out of a problem that had to do with some quiz scores and frequency and such. So let's talk about that. So let's say an instructor gave a quiz, and they had some 65s on the quiz, they had some 81s on the quiz, they had some 94s on the quiz. In fact, the frequency tells me how many 65s they had. They had 8 65s, they had 5 81s, they had 12 94s. So what we want to do is we want to come up with the weighted mean, the weighted average for this. All we're going to do simply is take our quiz score and multiply it times that frequency. So let's pull out our handy dandy antique calculator here. And first let's do 65 times 8. And so that weighted value is 520. Alright, and then let's jump back in there and do 81 times 5. I believe that's going to be 405. And then we got 12 times 94. 1128. All right. And so we got our weighted value. So what we want to do now, guys, is we want to total up the number of folks who actually took the test, and it looks like we had 25 people take the test, 8 plus 5 plus 12, 25. And we also want to get a total on our weighted values. So my 1128 plus my 405 plus my 520. Okay, so I got 2,053. Just working our way through this process. So to come up with our weighted mean then, what we're going to do is take our weighted value, 2053, and divide that by our frequency of 25. By our total frequency of 25. We had 25 students take the test. So then, let's take a look here and see what we got. We got 2053 divided by 25 equals, we got a 82.12. So our weighted mean for our average for this class came out to be a 82.12. Could round that if you wanted to a whole number, it'd be an 82. If you rounded to the 10th, it'd be an 82.1. But essentially, this is your process for working out that problem that you're on there to get that weighted mean. Multiply your quiz score times your frequency, get your weighted value, total those up, total up your frequencies. Divide your weighted value, divided by your frequency, boom, weighted mean, you got it. Round it where they say. All right, guys, jump into that. Do a couple of practice problems if you want to, some similar exercises, get a feel for it, and I'll see you next time.